The content that is going to be shared during this course is so good and valid that once you are done with the course, you will realize that you've learned so many important things that are really helpful in this new journey of you being a new mother.
Hello everyone, I'm Nilufer. I'm the founder of New Mother, and the fact that you are here tells me that you want to take charge of your health, both mental and physical, even after you have a baby. You want to take control of how you feel in your body, especially in your postpartum period. In this video, I'm going to tell you how you can achieve it, and I'm also going to tell you about our new program, which I am positive is going to have a profound effect on your life after childbirth. I hope you'll take a moment to learn more and join the revolution to putting a stop on women not getting the right care they deserve in their postpartum period.
I don't like to say this, but there is not just all the information out there about how you can prepare your life after having a baby. Yes, there are articles around the web and there are prenatal classes, but there is nobody actually telling you how to handle your postpartum period.
Women need to be strong. They have a right to be strong, both physically and mentally. Mental health issues are often, swept under the rug. This is the movement every woman should be a part of. One thing I love about this program is that there are so many things which can be used for prevention. You can ward off those postpartum blues with some mindfulness techniques. And many of the techniques discussed in the programs are, so easy that you can even apply them while you're feeding your baby. Even if a woman recognizes that she is having some mental health issues and that she needs to talk to somebody, she needs help, there is a very thin chance that she will actually contact an expert. Mental health issues are often misunderstood, not openly talked about, and there is definitely stigma attached to it in the society. The thing that I love about this program is that all the experts and all the help is available just a click away.
So what does this actually mean? What does this movement intend to do? We want women to be healthy, active and happy mothers. We want women to thrive and not just survive in their motherhood journey. We want women to recognize and appreciate the incredibly beautiful job their body has done by giving birth to another human being. We want women to reach out for help if they need it. We want to normalize the fact that motherhood, especially the initial days after giving birth to a child, are hard and difficult, and no woman deserves to walk it all alone. We want women to openly talk about things nobody is actually talking about and are very common, like postpartum mental health issues, urinary incontinence, the fact that breastfeeding is a skill and it takes time to be acquired, and no, not all of us get it naturally. We want women to have no shame in their post-pregnancy bodies.
Pelvic floor is just an underrated part of our body. Nobody really gives it the importance it deserves. Many women are told that leaking urine or losing bladder control is common after childbirth. During pregnancy and childbirth, the pelvic floor muscle loses its strength, and most women need to regain this strength by exercising these muscles out. It is a shame that this basic information is not available out there. Most of the educated women like us who have access to the web still do not know the importance of urinary incontinence and how common it is. So it is impossible for the lesser privileged women to know about it.
Hello everyone, I'm Vidya, co-founder of New Mother. I want you all to feel good by knowing that a percentage of every purchase you make will be used to educate women with the same knowledge you gain from this program. The women who cannot afford this program and have no means to get the right information on self-care after childbirth.
There's this recovery period which is talked about. That's only if you're lucky to get those 6 to 8 weeks after you've delivered. And then the women are expected to jump back to their normal routines without even addressing the issues that they might have. The most common ones which every woman face are recovery issues, indigestion, bloating, flatulence, and a serious lack of energy. That's the reason why you need to take care of food, because there's a difference between being well fed and being well nourished. Your body has given every ounce of its energy for your baby, and it will continue to do so if you choose to breastfeed. That's why you need to replenish your nutrients with food. After all, food's the best medicine that nature has given us.
It's true that every child deserves breast milk, but there is one thing that child deserves more than breast milk. Yes, it is you. I want you to know that with the right knowledge and support, you can be successful in your breastfeeding journey. But again, it is up to you to take action for that. Do not enter motherhood without knowing what lactation really is. This program addresses it beautifully. This is just the information every mother should have. Also, there are clear pointers to when you should consult the right expert who can help you out. Enjoy your motherhood. See you.
Women often tend to enter into a deep negative state when they are not happy with the way they look in the mirror. What they really need to understand is that access to healthy skin and hair lies in the way they treat themselves and their body. Most of the women have issues with the skin and hair changes that take place during pregnancy and postpartum, and this leads to them avoiding social interactions. Postpartum can be harsh, but women need to acknowledge that this is just a phase, and with a proper skincare routine and a guidance from a specialist, things will fall back into place.
Pregnancy and postpartum brings a lot of changes in women which are to be highlighted and which women are need to be coached about. In the old days, women are considered as delicate, but no, that's not true. Women are superhumans, they are capable of giving birth naturally. But one right thing that has to be done for women is help her getting back her strength which she has lost during this process. And this can be done by making her understand the importance of core strengthening and the wonders it can do for her health.
You know, there are two people involved in a childbirth, and while the man is mostly rational, the woman is all over the place, and this obviously leads a lot of friction in their relationship. Both the mother and father need to acknowledge the fact that the mother is the one who has had the baby inside her for around 40 weeks. Gone through the birth process, has raging hormones in her, lost the way she was before she got pregnant. You know, there is just too much of an emotional turmoil going on within her. And on the other hand, the man has a lot of changes too, like the added financial responsibility, the change he's seeing in his partner, and so on, which might be difficult to handle for sure. The problem is that there is a disconnect between the two, and surprisingly, even today, we don't really talk about it openly. This movement does an awesome job of touching these areas which was really needed.
I think the program which has been created here is really important, because we really need to understand the kind of emotional, physical and mental turmoil a postpartum woman goes through. There is a lot of significant healthcare gap in the system, and I'm glad that it's getting fulfilled now with this program. I'm so happy that this program is being created.
Why does this matter? Well, you cannot really give happiness to anybody if you're not happy and healthy within yourself. You cannot raise a happy child if you're not happy with yourself. So, the basic rule is that you have to first take care of yourself first, and then can you take care of your baby. I'm a mother, and I do understand that having a child is a full-time responsibility. You have tasks at hand all round the clock. But what I really want you to understand is that you are important.
In India alone, there are around 67,000 babies that are born every single day. But still, there is this huge gap in the maternal healthcare system. We all have acknowledged that most women experience postpartum baby blues in the initial weeks of their postpartum period. Then, why no mental health consultation is provided to women to make her aware of this probability? Why is incontinence never mentioned as part of your hospital checkout procedure. This is a huge gap in the system. The initial program we have created at New Mother is to bridge this gap by providing you with the right basic and genuine information you deserve to know, so that you can equip yourself, you can plan ahead, you can take precautionary measures to safeguard both your physical and mental health, so that you can enter motherhood with confidence. You can give your child all the love and care she deserves. You being still here tells me that you know that even today women are being underserved in the world of healthcare, empowerment and self-care. You are inspired and you want to know the real way to take charge of your life, to be the strong mother your child deserves. And I'm so happy to say that you have come to the right place. This initial program at New Mother, it covers all the basic information in the areas of nutrition, lactation, hair and skin care, fitness, mindfulness, physical recovery and relationships. All the information you will need in the initial weeks of your postpartum period. It is designed by 10 women who are all leading experts in their fields. They are nutritionists, lactation consultants, dermatologists, physiotherapists, postnatal yoga consultants, psychiatrists, psychologists, physicians, obstetricians and gynecologists. They have a combined of more than 80 years of clinical experience, and most of them are moms themselves. So they bring a first-hand experience to the table. Simply put, they get it.
I am really excited for this course to come out. Why? Because I have not really come across anything like this earlier. The content that is going to be shared during this course is of utmost importance, and I'm really glad that it is available for everybody to be used.
All of us together have created this program with the intention of reaching out to women to make them aware about the importance of postpartum care.
This program is good for any woman who wants to have the right scientific knowledge about her postpartum care. This program is certainly going to help you to be the best version of yourself. This is a one-stop solution for all your postpartum issues.
We want you to feel empowered and love your body, love your life and love your baby. But remember, it is only you who can make a difference in your life. And you know what? I deeply feel that you will be able to do it. So come, join us and let's rock motherhood.